Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I've got another gadget for you. Alright guys, let me start as usual from unboxing. So as you can see, the box looks quite nice and I will say very premium. I like it, I like this design, the graphic. Okay, let's open it. And when you open, you will find a very premium quick start guide. Looks very premium, like gold, look at that. When you open it, you will find few information how to plug in and connect. So to connect this device, you can connect by the USB port A or C. After the lights turn on, then select Apple CarPlay as a connection method. Okay, and the access internet, can use the hotspot from your car or you can use the SIM card. That's the device itself, and I can say this device is very light. I like the quality. So you will find the slot for memory card, the slot for SIM card, another slot for the cable, that's the mini USB, the old-fashioned, and also you got your USB port C. You will find something like the envelope, actually another box, which is also quite nice and premium, and inside there you will find a cable for connection. Okay, so next you will find our M5 Air Mouse remote, and you can use with a TV box, projector, or PC or TV. Okay, let's open it. Oh, that's a surprise, because I was more than sure that would be quite big, but this is actually very small. You've got the cable. Okay, so that's mean you can charge this by the USB cable. That's the keyboard, which is quite nice. Yeah, I like this design and the simple few button. Okay, let me plug in everything and let's start the fun. I like the quality of the cables. The cable itself looks quite premium. You see everywhere you've got the name of the company. Okay, we are in. Alright guys, so at the moment we are on the main page, and as you can see, the graphic, or actually the interface, is very nice, very friendly. Let's be honest, there is 1,000 of options, but as you can see from the left side, or actually yes, from your left side, you've got the first, something like half page with the time, the date, day, and also you can add more widget here, which is how to do it. It's nice and easy. There you go, on that way. Below that, that's a mobile device. So at the moment the device is connected with my phone. You can just go a little bit down, so you've got something like 3 pages. While driving, you will see your current speed. You can change kilometers per hour for miles per hour. Also, that's your music from your phone. Okay, your audio. That's another page with, you can add some more widget, more application, and also the main page like in Android Auto or Apple CarPlay with your audio from your phone, for example. This site will show you the other application, which you can of course change for different one, but you've got your HBO Max, Netflix, Disney, TikTok, split screen, which I will show you next on the next couple of minutes, Prime, Spotify. Here you can open like another menu with only with the widgets, and currently is a Google Map. Wallpapers, you can just change for something like that or completely different, or cards. That's what we see right now. Okay, so below that you can change all what you see right now as only as a widget, if you prefer something like that. Okay, another feature will that's your Google Assistant by the voice. What is more interesting, as you can see, you've got the white dock here, which always will give you a few options: split screen, back to the previous page, your Google Assist, your all pages where you've been before, or just the home button. Okay, we are in the home right now. If you want to connect this device, the remote control, you have to go to control center, go to settings, go to more settings, go down, more settings, okay, go to connect device, Bluetooth. What you have to do right now, if you want to connect this device together with the system, you have to press OK and home button, keep them together. Now the system find the this device, click on M5 and pair, and job done. You can adjust everything by the keyboard or that remote control, which is quite easy and quite nice. Just look at that. As you can see, you can go down or up, okay, and if you want to go on the previous page, you can click this button here, right? Once again, also if you want to use as a mouse, look at that, you can press this button, and now as you can see, now we can do whatever we want with our movement. Look at that. Doesn't matter where we are, on the front, on the back, you don't need to touch all the time the screen. You can keep the screen nice and clean, okay, and you can use only the control. Look at that. Let's go back to home. So yeah, so we are in home right now. Okay, so it's not easy to do it for the first time, but after a few minutes you will recognize it's quite nice and simple, even simple I would say. Okay, all right. What else we can do here? Let's go to Prime Video. Let's see. Let's take a look how the view from the movies will be looks like. Also volume you've got here.
You had to shoot him to end the fight.
As you can see, the
He murdered a CIA
picture
asset.
is quite nice,
Example needs to be made.
quite big I would say.
Thank you for your service. I'm offering you a chance to finish what you started.
Loss of engagement.
Flexible.
We have a chance to take down a known terrorist.
Let's go back to home. Let's check YouTube. Let's find out some channel. Let's say my channel. So we can now use the keyboard, which is quite nice. Okay, so and what I really like about this is it's much easier to operate the keyboard than the screen. Look at that, you can just touch the screen and you've got full screen, or goes back like that. Very easy and very simple solution. You don't need to click that icon here to do it. You can just do just by one movement. Okay, what else? Let's go home. Anyway, so here you can also add more app, whatever you want. Let's say YouTube again, and also you've got the split screen, but the split screen in this system or this device works a little bit different. Just look at that. You can click that split screen, and as you can see right now, we've got this application which I said before. So on the left side you've got YouTube, on the right one you've got Amazon Prime, Amazon Video, however you want to call it. And what is important, you can watch only, for example, video with the audio only from one side. For example, here you can watch some movie, here you can use it as a sat nav. Okay, also you can set that as a different. Okay, so for example, max, you got max. Okay, we can also swap them on that way. Yeah. Okay, and we've got on one side our map from Google Map, SatNav, whatever, and here we can watch the movie, and we can choose. We can actually use the SatNav on the same screen, and we can change the size also, however we like, on a few options. Oh, now was too much. Let's go to the control settings. If you will add some SIM card, you will see the SIM card exactly here. Then you've got your Wi-Fi connection, Bluetooth connection, wallpaper, which I showed you before, settings, exit to our car menu. Let's go back. Settings. So we can choose from the setting lots of stuff, like an Android phone, which already knows. I'm more than sure he knows. So Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile data, HDMI special mode. So that's mean the mini slot here on the side is, I'm more than sure that's the mini HDMI. Saves hotspot status, lots of stuff. Widget mode, wallpapers, language, more setting, and of course the version, blah blah blah, more settings. So we got the network again, the connections with the all separate devices, application, notification, storage. So you got 15% used at the moment from 108 gigabytes. So that's mean 108 gigabytes free. You've got huge storage in this device. Sound and vibration, display, wallpapers, location, password, Google system, blah blah blah. Lots of options. Okay.
Hi, your Google Assistant here. There's a lot I can help with. Here are a few popular actions.
Let's open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
So anyway, like I said, you've got lots of options. You can just add lots of widgets here, but I'm not sure if you can. No, that's update. Okay, if you can change that. Yes, you can change that. There you go. When you just press the widget, you can just add something completely different than the videos. There you go. Let's say Google Map. Oh, there you go. Spotify, we can change or swap for something like that. Bank. Yeah, Netflix, TikTok, quite nice. Here, no, we can't do anything with that. But anyway, if you want to talk with the Google, you can just press this already. Hello, how are you?
I'm good. What's up with you?
Okay, but let's check something different. For example, you have to press this button here and you will get the extra option. Zoom. Oh, that's much better, I would say. If you're watching some movies and you want to use some other application, if you just click the dock and you will press the home button, the video will be here. Just look at that. Okay, and you can easily just close it or make it bigger twice, like that. Or if you click once, you get the option to make it on whole screen again. Then you can zoom in and you will get the bigger screen already. Alright guys, and that's all about those two gadgets. Please let me know in the comment below what you think about it. As usual, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, take care of yourself and your followers, and see you next time.